absolutely love Bemidji State University's mass comm department. It's a lot of fun. It's a lot of hands-on experience. So all the students can come in. You can run the TV studio. You can run the radio station. You can pretty much do whatever you want, and they give you full access to use everything. And I love it. I am the station manager for KBSU, so I make sure that things get on the air and that we have a full crew whenever we do shows. We have the Hope and Brooke Show, which is an entertainment show. We have 2 sport talk shows. We also have a Thursday night news programming, and we've got a couple new ones coming up. Everyone here is like a family. We make sure that we get together. We go out, we come in, we do the studio. It's a lot of fun.